Hello everyone, welcome back to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In the previous tutorial, we have created a model to populate the information of setting. And now we need to create a filter by which we can send the information to the model for population of the data. Here you can see in the previous tutorial we have created this code in which we have used this store procedure with this filter. Now we will need to implement this filter. So here, go to your database. Here is the store procedure, modify it and add the filter for the get. Copy this, else if. Okay, now we need to create get request. Now we will create a query that select all from settings, and when we will execute this we will get all the records from the table. Okay, now execute this. After this, execute the application, and here we will add a model. How we can add model here? We are sending model information in the view, and in the view we are going to create a variable model and name of your application dot models and the specific model which you want to use. Now here you can see I am going to create a console. We will use model dot backend logo, and now it will return me the information of backend logo. Refresh this. Okay, here in the console it's giving me the error of this, and it is returning the information. Okay, now we are utilizing this information in our view. In the front end logo, we are going to add in the source model dot front end logo. Save it and refresh. Okay, here you can see the information is implemented. Now do this with all backend logo, feature image. Here is the page title. We are going to use value title. Here is the page description. We are going to use value page description. Admin value model dot email, and here is block count. That's it. Now refresh the page and let's see, all the information is updated here automatically, and when I will click save, this information is fetched from the client side, create a model and process that into the controller. Okay, so we have successfully created this. Now we need to implement the update feature, and that is if the information is exist, update, and if information is not exist, then insert for the first time, and upon every request it will update the information. I hope this is informative. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel.